Setting up Gemini wallet is pretty straightforward process. All you need to do is follow this video's step-by-step guideline. It's so simple, I'm telling you already. Now you have to download the Gemini wallet app because of course it's very important to download the app. After that you can see on the screen how I'm right now on the phone screen. Now you have to open the app. It's important and now you have to fill the important details. Now you have to click on get started. You can see security is in our DNA option. Now you can click on the continue button. Click on the continue button. You have to select a country. You can select any country. For example, I'm selecting Nepal. Now you can use your name and address and middle name. This is all you need now for now official documents. Remember that the name should be same as the official documentation because it's important for the verification. Now you have to set up your email address. Make sure the email address is right. Now you have to set up your password. It's 8-character password, should be a symbol, number or uppercase letter, which makes a strong password. If you have a promo code, just go it. After that, creating a password and stuff. Now you have to create an account button. Now it will take a loading screen of blue color. You can see on the screen, it's a logo of Gemini wallet. After that, it will show you on the screen and that's it. Your setup of Gemini wallet is completed and I'll see you in the next one.